Hi, everyone! Being a princess means seeing the goodness in others, just like Belle. Today, Julia gets to meet and share her dream with her favorite princess.
I would love to hear if you have any dreams.
I want to be a great basketball player.
Yeah, that is a wonderful dream.
I like dribbling and shooting.
That's great. My dream is for all of us to see the good in others.
Yes.
What do you think it means to not judge a book by its cover?
Don't look at the outside, look at the inside.
That is very important. That's exactly what I did. When I first met all the enchanted objects in the castle, do you have any plans of how you will make your dream come true?
I'm going to make my dream come true because I believe in myself.
Well, that's wonderful. That's one of the first steps to achieving your dreams. And I believe in you, too.
Thanks, Belle.
That's Julia's big dream. What's yours?